Hi guys, welcome back to another great episode of Ed Puzzle Notes. This, of course, I'm going to get rid of peptide. That's another word for a protein. We're just going to call it, this is protein synthesis. Protein synthesis. Synthesis means to make. So this, of course, this is the second step called translation. This should be in your notes already. This is just a little review. This is translation. This is the protein that's being built right here. These little pink balls right there, that's phenylalanine. That's an amino acid. Remember, amino acids, you put a bunch of them together, you get a protein. Alright, and this is the guy right here that carries those amino acids. His job is to carry amino acids to the ribosome. And that, of course, is Mr. tRNA. Now, this tRNA has 3 letters on the bottom of them, 3 bases. And hopefully remember the 3 bases or letters on a tRNA is called an anticodon. Now, this guy right here, this single-sided long strand, that is, of course, messenger or mRNA. Remember, it copies the code of DNA in the nucleus in the step called transcription. Remember that 3 letters or 3 bases on an mRNA, those are not anticodons, but those guys right there are called codons. Codons on the mRNA, anti or anticodons on the tRNA. And finally, the bonds which hold these amino acids together in the protein, those are called peptide bonds. Okay, this up here on top, this double-sided figure up on the very top, that of course is DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. It gives its code to this single-sided molecule called mRNA. And this guy down here at the bottom, this weird-looking shape, carrying an amino acid, that of course is Mr. tRNA. Now it's time for a magic trick. I'm going to convert this what's called a triplet code. So the 3 letters in DNA, the 3 bases, that's called a triplet code. Remember, the 3 letters or 3 bases in mRNA are called codons, and the 3 letters or 3 bases on a tRNA, they're called anticodons. So here we go. Here comes my magic trick. I'm going to turn AGC, adenine, guanine, cytosine, into a codon. Here we go. Base pairing rules. A goes with U. No T in RNA. G goes with C. C goes with G. Boom. Now I'm going to convert that codon into an anticodon. U, right there, goes with A. C goes with G. And of course, G goes with C. Now, just in case you thought I got lucky, that I couldn't do it again, well, here we go. I'm going to try it again, see if I can do it one more time. I'm going to turn this DNA triplet code into a codon. C goes with G. C still goes with G. T goes with A, because we do have A in messenger RNA. There is a codon. And I'm going to convert it into an anticodon. What corresponds with GGA? G goes with C. G still goes with C. And A doesn't go with T, because we don't have T, but we do have U. C, C, U. There's the tRNA anticodon that goes with the codon of GGA. Now, if you thought that was amazing, check this out. I'm going to turn this tRNA anticodon, and I'm going to convert it back into DNA triplet code. So we're going to go the other way now. Still the same base pairing rules. U is going to go with A. C always goes with G. A is going to go with U. And now we're going to convert that into DNA triplet code. A goes back to T because we got T again. G goes with C. And to finish her all off, U goes with A. There it is, folks. The base pairing rules going from DNA to mRNA codon to tRNA anticodons. All right, and how to use a codon chart again to figure out which amino acid is going to show up with these codons. So let's try this one first. CAU, cytosine, adenine, uracil. C, that's the first base. So we look over here. First base is a C. There's the C. So we know it's going to be in this column, this row right here of the C. We know it's in there somewhere. The next base is an A. There's the A. So now we know it's going to be in this little rectangle right there. And the last one is a U. U is right there, so we go across, and that would be histidine, is that amino acid. Now let's try one more. This first base is A. So once again, we look over here. First base is A, so we know it's going to be in here. It's going to be in that row. The next one's a G. The second base is a G. There's the G. So now we know it's going to be right in there somewhere. And the last base is an A. There's your A. There's your amino acid, arginine. Arginine. All right, so some people don't like the rectangular codon chart. This is a different one. This is a circle one. And this one we're going to start in the middle of the circle and move our way out according to which base is there. So first we're going to try this one. UUC. The first base is a U. So we're going to start in the middle. Here's the U right there. So we know that the amino acid is going to be somewhere in there, in that little fourth of the circle. The next one is a U. There's the U right there. Now the last one we see, to find out exactly which amino acid it is, we look at the C. Where's the C? There it is. And there's our amino acid, phenylalanine, PHE. Let's try one more. How about AG? See if you can figure that one out. So we start in the middle of the circle. Here's the middle. There's the A. So the first one's an A. First base is an A. Second base is an A. So we're going to go right there to that A. The last base is a G. There's the G. There's Mr. Amino Acid, lysine. All right, so either one, the rectangular one or the circular one, you get the same amino acid. Okay, now it's your turn to try just a couple. You can use either codon chart you like. If you like the rectangle one, use that. If you like the circle one, use that. You'll get the same answer. First one I want you to try, let's try GAG. What amino acid will you get with GAG? Good. Hopefully you got G, A, G, and glutamic acid, GLU. Let's try one more. How about C, A, C? Try that one. What amino acid will you get from the codon CAC? Good. Hopefully you got C, goes to A, goes to C, and you get the amino acid histidine, HIST. All right, that is all, folks. Hopefully you now know how to use a codon chart, whether it's the circular one or the rectangular one.